Today I will tell you how to change letters in small and big. Like I want to write fun. I am writing fun. Fun. Okay. But this is small. I want to write very biggish. Then I erase it and come here like this. This is a small button. That's it. And this is a maximum numbers. This is maximum 72 like this, but I want 48. I choose the 48 and click here like this. This is writing big. Okay, you can change from here. This is a small button, click here, and this is a numbers. Okay, this is my 5th video. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.